So my name is Goran. I'm from Dublin, but not the Dublin across the bay, but the Dublin on the other side of the Atlantic Ocean, that one. And I'll talk about project Drive that we at SAP built. So I'm a designer working at SAP Ireland, and we were tasked to build something to get stuff into the hands of our customers as soon as possible and validate. Because at the moment when currently or before this project, when we designed something, usually those designs were sent by email, thrown around by Dropbox, or there wasn't really a structured way of how to get feedback on designs other than impromptu, fast emails or some other, or you print it out and then you just run to the client and show them the prints, and then the client says, oh, I like this, I don't like this. So we were given a task from Sam Yen, our chief design, to get stuff into the hands of users as soon as possible. So what basically it comes down to is that we created a tool that allows you to upload a bunch of images, then you send them to people, people give you feedback, and then you read the feedback and see what the people said. And this is a little journey of how we built it. Nah, just kidding. I'll just show you the demo. You don't want to listen to the, we put a bunch of post-its. So here's the tool itself. It's available on Drive.SAP.ondemand.com. You do need an SAP ID to log in, but you can quickly make it. So it's a tool that's basically available for anyone. What the tool allows you is to create a study. And it can be something, you give it a name, and you give it a description. Then it allows you to create tasks. And this is, say, first task. What? And then you can just drop pictures onto the task, which you of course prepared in some other Photoshop or something. It doesn't matter. You can ask your participants some questions, something like, where would you click to sort the table, or something like that. What do you think? Or something else. You can invite your colleagues to help you review the whole study, but we'll just quickly skip to this functionality. And then as you publish it, you get a URL to your study, which you can copy-paste and send to your clients or send to anyone who you think would be interested in reviewing the whole thing. And when they get it, it looks something like this. So it's a quick page that is generated for this little study, and you can start it. And so yeah, we uploaded 3 pictures, and you can quickly see. So where would you click to sort the table? Of course, the question is dummy, but the tool allows you to select, to put a pointer. So I don't know, let's say I would click here, or maybe if I'm confused, I don't know, I would click here. Drive enables you to leave other marks other than just the pointer, something like a like, and you can say, hey, I really like this part. Or if you're confused by this, you say, I'm not sure what this is. Or you can just leave a general comment and, cool. And as you go through all the screens that we just uploaded, you can answer the question, something I think. All right. And the last one, we won't answer that one. And that's basically it. And then when you go back to Drive, you'll see that this is this test study that was just now created. But for the purposes of demo, I pre-made one study just to show you how the feedback gets back. So all the comments are aggregated in one place, and we do a little keyword search, even though I shouldn't be here. It's a live demo, so sorry for little bugs. But you can see that from all of the comments, word clear appears 4 times. So what do you think about this page? Is it clear enough? And hopefully, you know, if word clear appears a lot of time, you can see that, yeah, people really think that the page is clear enough. You can see on other pages where people left their marks. You can change transparency of the image so that the pointers are shown up front. And you can open and see the comments that people left. And this basically enables you to quickly see what a ton of people would, you can send this study to anyone and get quickly a feedback from a lot of people, a lot of groups of people, and you don't have to go one by one and ask them what do they think about the whole thing. So yeah, this is the URL. It's available. Yeah, you can take a photo or write it down. You can go and check it. Next version of Drive is coming out soon. I won't give any any specific dates, but it's just soon, where we further simplified the whole thing and made the creation of studies more much easier for people. You don't have to jump through so many hoops to create the study, and you can basically, if you have exports of your designs or photos or whatever is your artifact, you could basically create a study in like less than 2 minutes and send it around to clients to get your feedback on it. Questions? Shoot.
Can you chain pictures together into a workflow?
How do you mean?
Well, as an individual screen, can you put a few screens together at once, maybe showing a progression in a particular task?
It's yeah. I mean, it's up to you to rearrange. I mean, you cannot click on a screen and then it takes you to from. It's not interactive. It's like linear 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, but if you uploaded the pictures in a sense that it makes a meaning, so it's like a path that a user would take through your application, then you sort of mimic the, page by page movement.
So you don't have to be a SAP customer to use it?
No, yeah. You don't have to. You just need to have SAP ID, but it's basically our...
Is this or everybody who...
No, just the administration, just to create the thing. When you send the URL, they don't need to be, internal. Shoot.
Is there anything validating that the same person isn't running through it more than one time?
Yeah, it locks it. One person, one time. It locks the,
IP address or cookie?
By IP address or something?
I'm not sure. I think it's not locked on a really high level. It might be a cookie or it might be something like that. But I mean, yeah, if someone really wants to hack anything, they'll do it. Yeah. We saw someone else. No? All right, guys. Thank you. If you have any more questions, I'll be running around. Cheers.